Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I first and foremost want to apologize. I have been MIA for the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Well, it all started back when my son came home from school. He had a runny nose. We didn't think much of it. We thought it was a cold. And then he went to my parents' house and my parents got super sick. And I was like, oh crap, like he got them sick. And then he comes back and he gets my fiance like really sick. And I was like, what is going on? Like, you know, everyone's getting sick now. And then my fiance got me sick. And all these people really thought they just had a cold. And then my fiance's like, nope, I'm not going to work. So she takes a COVID test. And tell me why she's COVID positive. So she stayed home from work. And it was a week where I was working. And I got really sick. And I told my supervisor, like, hey, I just tested positive. And she goes, well, what symptoms do you have? And I was like, I just have a sore throat and a cough. And she was like, well, as long as you wear an N95, you can still work. And I was like, okay. I mean, to be fair, I wasn't really like feeling sick. I didn't have the body aches. I didn't feel like I couldn't get out of bed or anything. The only thing that really hurt was my sore throat. But I mean, it is what it is. I was a little too sick to even think about my budget. I literally, like, all the money that I was gonna like put into my my binders and envelopes, I literally just transferred it over to my savings. And I was like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put it in my savings so that way I don't spend it. So a big chunk just went to savings, and I decided to get back to it today. So I'm gonna be stuffing my bills binder for the last week of February. And I'm not exactly sure how much this is, but let's count it. What am I doing here? This. Nope, this, and this. Okay. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400. Can you guys see that? Yeah. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 613 is what we're going to be stuffing today. And let's get started. I have so much to update you guys on. So in the next, I believe, 3 videos, I'm going to update you guys on everything. There's so much to update you guys on. But first off, man, you guys, life literally hit me with a 1-2 punch out of nowhere, and I didn't see it coming. I've been watching Rocky too much, you guys. While we were sick, me and my fiance watched all of the Rockies. There was, I believe, 5 Rockies and then a Rocky Balboa. And then we watched Creed, which is right after Rocky. And then we're planning to go watch Creed 3. We watched Creed 1 and Creed 2. And then we're planning to go watch Creed 3 when it comes out in March. So that's why I said life hit me with a 1-2 punch. And I didn't see it coming. And I'm going to tell you guys all about it. It was insane. Okay, so rent is going to get $350. So here's 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50. Okay, let's fix this because this, oh my goodness, what is going on here? Okay, so rent now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1,050. And that is missing 350 because I literally just put all my money in savings. So I'll be getting that out from there. Internet is going to be getting $16. So 5, 10, 15, 16. So internet now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Oh my goodness, I wish. Internet now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48. As you guys can see, I'm not fully recovered yet. I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally or if I start coughing out of nowhere. I'm still really short of breath. Like, I can't inhale completely because I'll start coughing. And then my throat is like barely getting better. But luckily this week I'm off, so I'm like trying to recover as much as I can. So phone is going to be getting $17. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And actually I was talking to my fiance. We were wondering if we should switch over to Mint Mobile, because right now we both have T-Mobile. She's spending 90 on her line. I'm spending 70 on my line. And we were looking at, that's the Ryan Reynolds phone line, and it's $15 per line, which sounds really good. I wonder how the service is. So I'm thinking maybe we might switch over. We might look into switching over. If any of you guys have Mint Mobile, let me know. I'm really considering switching over. So phone now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. I'm really wondering because we're paying a whole lot of money for just both of our phones when we could be paying a whole lot less for 2 phones. Gym is going to get $5. So that is $5. So gym now has 5, 10, 15. And if you guys are wondering, I only pay $20 per month on my gym membership, so that's almost done. Netflix is going to be getting $5. So that's, Netflix now has 20, 40, 45, 50. And if you guys wonder why this one has so much, because it's a subscription between Netflix, Hulu, and I have them all in one category. That's why. Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon. And honestly, I think this is going to go up because my fiance has, she has Disney. What was the other one that she has? And she has like 2 other ones that we're going to kind of combine because we're going to be paying them together. So this is going to go up. Hulu is going to get $20. So Hulu now has 25. Savings is going to get $50. So savings 20, 40, 45, 50. So savings now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Have you guys seen the Rocky movies? I didn't know I was going to like them. Yeah, they're from the 70s, but they have a really good storyline to them. And you can't help but love Rocky. He's such a nice guy. I don't know. I was like, oh my God, this is such a good movie. My fiance was like, yeah, me and my dad used to watch it. And I was like, I've never seen these in my life. And then I wanted her to see $1 Million Baby because she hadn't seen $1 Million Baby. And there's nowhere to watch it. I'm like, damn it, I wish you could watch it. We're gonna have to wait and see if somebody puts it on their streaming service or something. And then I showed her Southpaw, and she really liked that movie. That movie made me cry though. But we watched, as you can see, we had a theme going. A boxing movie theme. But yeah, the whole time we were sick, we were watching boxing movies. All right, so groceries is not gonna get anything. Gas is gonna get $100. That is that 100 right here. And then spending is gonna get $50, which is the last 50 right here. And that is it for my bills binder. So again, I want to apologize for taking time off while I was sick, although I shouldn't be apologizing for that. It's much needed, but yeah. We were dying, you guys. We were literally dying. More her, because it was her first time catching COVID this whole time, and her body didn't recognize it. She was vaccinated, but her body still didn't react properly, and she was dying. She was in bed, couldn't really get out, but I literally, all I had was a sore throat, and I was feeling okay. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. That is it for this video. I have more updates for you, but I will be doing it in my next videos. I'm trying to catch up on videos so that way I'm not too far behind. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and these videos will most likely come out back to back. I'm so sorry. All right, you guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.